If you need to keep on repeating adding in a particular effect, then you can use the repeat effect option inside of Audacity. So to demonstrate that, first of all, I'm going to record out an audio clip. So this is an audio clip that I'm recording to demonstrate the repeat effect. So I'm just going to go around and then stop this, and then there you have an audio, as you can see. So I'm going to amplify this audio. So I'm just going to select out this audio right here, and then I'm going to go around into effect, and let's apply amplify to this. So let me amplify this just a tad bit right here, or like increase and decrease this right here. So you can see that I can increase this or decrease this in a certain value. So once that is done, I'm going to press OK, and you can see that the amplification is there. If you want to amplify it with the same value, then you can simply go around into effect right here and simply click on repeat amplify. Or you can press Ctrl R on your keyboard and it keeps on amplifying, as you can see. Similarly, I'm going to go around onto amplify, and let's say I want negative amplification right here. So I can press Ctrl R, and then it just goes around in the opposite direction, as you can see. So that is how you can repeat out an effect that you have added inside of Audacity, so you don't have to redo the process once again to apply certain effect a number of times. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.